Been thinking about making a video. I say just do it. I want to have them be able to see my essence. And if they tell my grandkids about me or my great-grandkids about me, I want to show them what I'm like. What I sound like, the way I act on camera. I have pictures of my grandma, and it's just a picture. But I have some video of my grandma.
Welcome to the Home Fix-It Show. Today we have many big projects. So let's get started. Now what? Now, to begin today's project.
A little bit of what made her tick, That's the power of videos. Get your phone or your camera, just set it up and hit record. Just start making a video. Leave a comment down below if you've been thinking about making a video or you have made a couple of videos. If you have, congratulations. Welcome to my channel. My name is Greg. If you've first come across this here, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. I hope you've made some videos. I would love to hear if you have. There are a few struggles that you have that you can make a video. If it's raining outside, you might get a cover for your camera gear. But other than that, you have noises in the background, birds, dogs, cars, you name it. It's all going to be a distraction, but don't worry about it. I have less than 30 videos. And I've been told by some of the YouTube gurus that if you have less than 100 videos, it doesn't matter. And it really doesn't. And the reason why is because these are all just practice. So if you get your practice in and you practice being perfect or getting better, just do one thing better every single time. And you should do better. Just talk on camera. Getting started making videos, you're never promised tomorrow. And the reason why I want to make videos is because I want to have videos out there and get better at it. But I also want to leave videos for my kids and people later on in life. I strongly suggest that you make your videos today. They've even come out with pictures that you can scroll across and it's like a mini movie. You notice that they're not taking movies and making them into a picture, just a single frame. So if you want to have any type of lasting legacy or whatever, put it on video. You can make a bunch of neat things. I got artwork and things I've built and stuff like that, but nothing's going to say put me out there like me being on a video. And so with that being said, this is my short little video trying to persuade you to just get done watching this video, hit like and subscribe and leave a comment. And then go make your video and come back and leave another comment saying that you went and made a video. And I will be so proud of you. And that's what you need to do on a late Sunday afternoon. Or whatever day it is of the week that you're having to watch this. So with that being said, you all take care. And we'll see you down in the comment section below. Bye-bye.